Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in for today's tutorial. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you are new to my channel, thank you also for stopping by. So for today's tutorial, I will be using the expression braiding hair for this style. As you can see, I already pulled my extension and now I'll start braiding the hair for my wig. As you can see, I'm doing a little bit of twists, like I twisted the hair twice or three times before braiding it down. I did this so as to create a loop at the top of the hair, because we'll be crocheting the hair into anything. You can crochet it into a wig cap or directly onto your head, so you don't want to go into braiding it straight. You won't be able to crochet it onto anything, so that is why I'm doing a little bit of twist at first. As you can see, I'll twist it like 2 times or 3 times, then I'll start braiding it down, and that will serve as our loop. Also, as you can see, I'm not braiding the hair all the way down, and that is the style that I'm going for. So that is why I'm not braiding it all the way down. So I'll just continue braiding this hair this way and come back to tell you what is the next step to do with this hair.
Fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies.
So when I was done with the braids, this is how the hair is looking. This is how it came out, and I will be using my bending rollers to put some curls to the end of the braids, and that is what I'll be doing. I'll just be wrapping the hair around my bending rollers, to give it some curls. Then after that, I'll dip it in hot water and take it out, and yeah.
Eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. Baby, I go to the sun and back for her.
So I dipped the hair in hot water and I let it to dry overnight, and this is how it came out. So I'll just take the bending rollers out, and this is how the hair came out. The colors are really beautiful, and it's exactly what I wanted.
Baby, there, to the sun and back.
So after taking down the bending rollers, I started separating it with my hands, and as you can see, I'm trying to smoothen it with my hands as well, because this is a synthetic hair and it tends to get frizzy. So you want to smoothen it with your hand while separating it, and that is what I'm doing right here.
Baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl and her.
So for the wig construction, this is the nets that I'll be using, and I'll be using some clips that I got from AliExpress. You can use any wig cap of your choice, but that is the one that I'll be using. So I'll just go ahead and split it in the middle like that. Just a little bit. You don't want to cut it too much. Then after splitting, I will start sewing in my clip ins.
She is the reason I dare to believe love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's one in a million. She helps me to grow the life that she gives.
So when I was done sewing the clips onto the net, this is how it came out. This is how it's looking. Yeah, and I just put the net onto my mannequin head, and I'll start crocheting my braids onto the net like that. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers and welcome to my channel, to my new subscribers. I thank you all for trusting in me and for subscribing to my channel, and I promise that I won't let you guys down. I'll be uploading some really nice and great content on this channel. And also I want you guys to follow me on my Facebook page and on my Instagram. So I'll put the link down in the description box so you guys can check me out on Facebook and on Instagram and follow me there. And when you are there, say hi, you are from my YouTube. I'm just crocheting the braids onto my net cap, as you can see, and I'm trying to stagger this hair. As you can see, I'm putting it in between the ones at the bottom. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to explain, so I'm just trying to stagger it so that it doesn't look scanty and it doesn't, like, the head does not look like everything is on a straight line.
I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Put this for you, Daisy. Baby, I go to the sun and back for her. I go a thousand collapse there in her arms. I'm gonna fight for you, baby. To the sun and back, go for you. A thousand walls to collapse there in her arms. To the sun and back, in a thousand walls to collapse. Don't let me down with you, baby, with you, baby.
So this is how the hair is looking when I was done. It's really beautiful and pretty.
There in her arms, my baby. I can't stop calling her.
So I'll go ahead and wear the wig using the clips to attach it onto my hair. I didn't tell you guys earlier the amount of clips that I use. Actually, I used 3 clips, one at the back and one for each side, making 3. So I have some leftover hair and I'll be crocheting that onto my head directly, and that is what I'm doing right here. So at the end, this style will look like a crochet, but actually it's not a crochet braid, it's a wig with crochet braids, of course.
And I take her home with me wherever I go. She's one in a million.
So when I was done, this is how the hair is looking. The hair is really beautiful, like really nice. If you don't want to braid your hair, or you don't want to go through all the stress of braiding your hair, you can actually do something like this. And of course, you can ask your girl to help you pre-braid your hair. Of course, I'm available. I can do that for you as well, and I'll just go off camera to apply my makeup. Actually, I did this makeup look on my other channel, and I'll be linking that in my description box below as well, at Olabinkwe Space. If you want to intrude my privacy, you want to see more of me, my cookings, and you can actually go to that other YouTube channel and subscribe to it as well. All right guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Until next time, bye.
Make you slow down, girl. Hold on, so make you go down, girl. Hey, make you slow down, girl. Oh Lord, have His mercy. Hey. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You want murder me, hey, 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 hey.